Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you funnels, why we build a funnel, how we build a funnel, and then I'm going to give you some actual examples of the funnels that I've actually built. But before I continue, I'd love it if you could come into my funnel and subscribe to my channel and click the like button below, which really helps me out. So let's talk about funnels. What is a funnel first of all, and how do we go about using it? So a funnel is a process where you come into, say, a landing page, and there's only really one thing you can do, and it takes you through the funnel. So the idea of a funnel is you buy something, and as you're going through down the funnel, you're either going to book a calendar, get an application page, or you're going to be going through an upsell or a downsell. So what it is just a limited amount of options you have. So can you imagine when you go to somebody's website, you've got lots of things that you could possibly press this button, press that button, contact me, do this, do this, do this. There's lots of options. So what a funnel does, it takes away those options. So it just gives you an option where you can go in one direction. So that's the idea of a funnel. So let me give you a real world example. So you go shopping, we all go shopping, and you go into a clothes shop. You buy a shirt. So you've got a shirt, you're just about to pay for the shirt. The shop assistant comes up to you and says, oh, lovely shirt. Would you like a pair of trousers to match that shirt? So that could possibly be an upsell. So you say, yep, I'd love a pair of trousers. Again, you try them on, you love them. You go to buy the shirt and the trousers, and the shop assistant comes up to you and goes, oh, perfect. Would you like a belt to go with the shirt, trousers to match? That could be your downsell. So you can see that's exactly what we're trying to do, but we're trying to automate that through a funnel. So that's all a funnel is, and through social media we call it a funnel. So different funnels do different things. So if you're a coach consultant, you can see on the screen we've got a book an appointment funnel. So you're driving traffic from somewhere, so that could be organic, that could be through Facebook, Google, it could be through TikTok, whatever your medium is to get traffic to your landing page or your website. But we're talking about funnels, so we're specifically talking about landing pages. So what we're trying to do is entice them onto your landing page. They opt in, which they may then give you your email address, which you can have then automations happening in a funnel. And then through there, we're going through your pre-sale page, or trying to get them to, again, give you some information. So with an appointment, we're looking to get information, and then we move them onto the application page. So this could be trying to vet them to make sure that they have certain criteria. Maybe you've got an age criteria that you want, a certain amount of income to work with you if you're a coach or consultant. Just a series of questions that you could possibly ask them. And then if they get past those questions, then they can move on to actually booking, which is the last stage, which would be a calendar. So probably the one thing I'm missing here is a thank you page, or you could do that through an email, say thank you for booking, and then obviously you could then set up email reminders. So the funnels could do lots of different things, but within the funnel you can do email automations. So what we've got here is where it says landing page, opt-in, one-time offer. I've got opt-in, add a tag, add to list, email marketing. This specifically is for something called Kartra. So when you're building funnels, you can do it through different bits of software. So if you're a coach or consultant, you would look for something like a Kartra. ClickFunnels is a well-known bit of software. There's high level. There's many different options. So whatever you would feel comfortable doing, you would then implement that as a funnel. So if you're doing e-commerce, you could look to do something in Shopify or WooCommerce. Again, the options are, there's a lot more options you can do through building funnels. So this is a book an appointment funnel. So you can see we've got a little 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably you're on a thank you page, which will be a little add on to the actual funnel that we've got built here. So moving down, we've got something a little bit more built out, which again, let's forget about these. These are just, I put these in for when I'm building a funnel through Kartra. So we've got landing page, pre-sale, application, calendar again, and confirmation. There we go, there's the confirmation page I was talking about. So, and again, you can create emails, you can create email sequences which could follow up. You can make these as basic or as complicated as you want. And again, 5-step sales process. So we've got landing page. So again, we're driving traffic, thank you, bridge page takes you from one page to another. Then we've got a sales page, add to cart, order, checkout page, and then again, we've got either a next step or a thank you page. So we've got a little bit more of a built out here e-commerce funnel, which I've built. So again, you can see the traffic could be driven from Instagram, Facebook. Chat box is another way you could get traffic to you, YouTube, TikTok. So any of these options will take you through a link to your sales page or landing page. And again, if you're in e-commerce, you can you can create different types of funnels. So depending on what your offer is or what you're trying to achieve, you literally design the funnel. You could write it down like what I've done, and literally you build out the funnel to suit whatever you're trying to achieve. So here we've got a sales page, order page, another sales page, upsell, downsell. You can make these things as complicated as you want, but the idea is you've got one thing to do. The key to a funnel is once someone puts the hardest thing is to get someone to put their credit card into the actual payment system. But once they've got the payment done, it's very easy for them to click the next one, click the next one, click the next one. So the idea is it's a one-time kind of hurdle, which is to get them to put the details in, and then it's just easy. It's just a click, click, click. Because nobody wants to put the card in again and again and again and again. So that's the beauty if you're doing a funnel and it's set up correctly. And again, you've got email reminders, you've got email, send them to a list. You can then send them offers later down the line. If you're a coach and consultant, you could look to do something called lead magnet, which is where you're given a free bit of information for them to opt in, which is then you're collecting their email address to then get them in your kind of funnel. So that's another way of doing it. So as you can see, there's different ways of building funnels, but they all kind of are trying to achieve the same thing. They're trying to sell something or do something. So if you're a coach consultant, then you've got one type of funnel. If you're a e-commerce store, then you've got another type of funnel. And again, we can build funnels for literally anything you want. It just all depends on what you're trying to achieve. So this is the funnel part of it. So let's jump into here's a funnel. I just want to give you an example of a funnel that I built, and you can see here we've got the next level sound. This is for headphones. This is just a template that I use, but you can see here we've got the offer $299 down to $199 plus shipping. You go down, and all you can do is order now, learn more. You've got the headphones again, keep reading, and then we've got people who are actually got the headphones on, so that's very much kind of showing what they can do and how they would look on individual people. Groundbreaking technology, again just the headphones, keep reading, order now. So you can see it's all we're trying to do. We're getting a little bit of social proof here. A couple of reviews would be nice, because whenever we look to buy something we're always looking for good reviews. And again we've got more, just the headphones, Spotify, power on, built-in mic. Again, it just goes on and on. Frequently asked questions. Here we've got an error only because I haven't set it up for Stripe or PayPal or whatever we're trying to achieve in this particular funnel. But you can see that you can make them really, really pretty. But the whole idea of a funnel, like I said, is to make them so there's only one thing you can do, and then from there, if you were to click on to this page, it will take you then to another page, which then could be an upsell or a downsell. Before you go, would you like to buy X, Y, and Z? So that's basically a quick rundown of funnels. And the way you would use funnel, like I said, you would drive traffic from social media. That could be organic, or that could be through paid ads, and then from there you get them into your funnel, your model of the world, and then always you're looking to try and collect that email address to get them in some sort of email marketing campaign. And then from there you're obviously trying to sell them something, and then once somebody has bought something from you, then it's far easier to then sell them more stuff over time, depending on what you're trying to sell, whether they be a coach consultant or whether you're an e-commerce store, because they're in your funnel already and you've got their contact details. So they will go from somebody being cold to a warm, and that's what you're always trying to achieve. And we try and do that with Facebook ads, we try and do that with funnels, we try and do that through email marketing. We're always trying to warm up our audience, trying to entice them into buying something from us or doing something with us or attending something. So I hope that makes sense for funnels. So I'll give you a little bit of free software. But before I go, just wanted to add a few things. If you're not in my group, I've got a great group on Facebook where something like 12,800 people. I put content on pretty much daily, if not twice. And then from next week, we're going to be doing live Q&A within the whole group. So if you've got any burning questions on social media, then feel free to ask. I also have an agency, and we run Facebook ads for clients, Google, and also we've branched out to TikTok, get some really fantastic results in TikTok. So if you're looking for a done-for-you service, or if you want to have a chat, then feel free to click on the links below and jump on a coaching call with me, and I'm happy to run through some strategies for you. So apart from that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, click below, and we'll catch up with you guys soon. Take care. Bye.